Hi there, Charlotta from MD Needle Pen here. I'm going to do a nano needling treatment on myself today to show you the technique, which is the same as regular microneedling. You just don't get that pinpoint bleeding, you don't need any numbing cream, and you don't get the downtime, which is amazing. So I'm just going to go and clean my face and then be right back so I can show you the technique. Hi again. So before I actually go and wash my face, I wanted to show you what I wash my face with. So I'm gonna use Cosmetics Purity Solution today. I love this cleanser because it's oil-based, so it really cleans when you have a lot of makeup on, and it also helps dissolve oil. So oil dissolves oil. So this is amazing for anyone that wears makeup, also for sensitive skin types, and also actually for acne patients. And I know you're gonna be like, what? Because any person that have had acne, myself included, hated products with oils because you think you're going to get more oily, but that's not the case at all. So oil actually dissolves oil, which is perfect. So I'm going to use Purity Solution. I'm going to do a few pumps in my palm. Dry, don't dissolve it with water yet. Just do a few pumps, and then I'm gonna massage it in my face, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more water and massage it in. The second cleanse I might do with the same. I might also use another cleanser depending on how my skin looks like. Benefit Clean from Cosmetics is really good. Also Purity Clean is really good if you have a little bit more of the acneic or oily skin, but I might just do actually 2 cleanses of the Purity Solution, and I will be back without makeup, so stay put. Hi there, I'm back without any makeup, as you can see. So we're gonna start to do the nano needling, of course, with our pen. I put on the cartridge already, and I actually took it up to 1.5. You can have it 1.5 to 2. The needles or the cartridges, the nano cartridge would definitely not penetrate that deep, but you have to have it on that setting when you do that. When I'm doing nano needling and micro needling, I start in the forehead because that's the most sensitive area. Forehead, one eye, the other eye, one side, the other side, and then the chin and the lip area and the nose last, because then they won't just turn their head once. And I'm gonna use hyaluronic acid today. Oops, sorry. Pure hyaluronic acid. You can use any active serum with this. So if someone have pigmentation, vitamin C is super good for that. Antioxidants. If you want to use, a lightening cream, you can do that as well, because that will penetrate more. But I know that I need a lot of hydration, so I'm gonna start using just the hyaluronic today. I'm gonna put the pen on, and then I'm just gonna work myself up on the forehead. Perfect, the pen is on. I'm not double dipping. I'm actually gonna do drops in my gloved hands and just apply the area right there. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do this way maybe. Oh, this is gonna go, okay, I'll do this. So as you can see, I have to look myself. At the same time I'm doing this, I'm doing up and down, and then I just cross hatch. Does that make sense? So, holy mother. Up and down, and then to the side. So I'll do vertically, horizontally, and then I just cross hatch. So an X, across an X, so to speak, if that makes sense. So you see, I get a little bit of erythema, but not much at all. This is a treatment that you can do directly before an event. It's nothing that should, be uncomfortable or cause any, aggravation to the skin. But you can see that the erythema is coming up a little bit. So back, forth, up and down, and then I try to cross hatch here while looking at myself in the mirror. And I go super close to the eyebrow, of course, but I don't want to do too big of a section when doing this, because you want to get as thorough treatment as possible, of course. And this doesn't really hurt at all. You are a little bit more sensitive in the forehead just because you have less tissue there and more bone. So that's why I always start with the forehead. But it's the same technique as with the regular microneedling. Needed some more. So if you can see here, I'm gonna stretch the skin too. So horizontally, vertically, and then cross hatch. Now I'm gonna show you on another area here so you can see that it's nothing dangerous with nano needling. It's very safe, and you're not gonna look crazy after you have done a treatment. Okay, so I'm gonna go super close here to the eye, because we all have those wrinkles just underneath here. We want to treat them as good as we can. And as you can see, this is a very sensitive area. Don't get any ping pong bleeding. It definitely doesn't hurt. I just get that those micro channels and good circulation to the skin. I'll take care of those crow's feet right now. So this is a treatment that you can definitely do in a facial or by itself. You can do dermaplaning beforehand and this directly afterwards. You can do microdermabrasion beforehand. You can do a hydrofacial. Start doing a hydrofacial and then nano needling in between. You can also put any active, of course, active serum in the treatment, but also you can do a peel or an enzyme directly after this treatment. I have to put some more hyaluronic acid on here. So as you can see, the skin just gets a little bit redness or pinkness, but that will go away very, very fast, and then you just have glowing skin. I'm gonna do my full face and I'm gonna show you how the after look like. Okay, stay put. Hi, so I'm back. So I just did my entire face with the Nano cartridge, so the Nano Needling or the Nano Skin Refining. And I don't know if you can see, but I am just a little bit pink in my face, but it's not that I have, you know, any irritation or anything like that. My skin feels really nice afterwards. You have no stinging or anything like that. So you guys that are doing a lot of hydrofacials, I dare you to try one of these nano skin refinings or nano needling treatments. Just a step up from the regular hydrofacial, or incorporate it in your hydrofacial treatment. Do it.